If you have ever felt jealousy before and maybe felt ashamed for feeling it, you are definitely not alone. But what if I told you that jealousy is not something to be ashamed of? What if it is one of your most powerful teachers? In this video, I'm going to show you how jealousy is a mirror, reflecting back the parts of yourself you've disowned, denied, or haven't given yourself permission to express. And if this resonates with you and you'd like to understand more about your shadow and the unseen aspect of self, make sure to join us over at the Shadow Project. The link is in the description area below, where we touch on the shadowy components of ourself that are often hard to find, but when we find them, they will set us free. And with that, let's dive into the topic of jealousy. The word jealousy originates from the Latin word zealous, meaning zeal or ardent desire. Originally, this wasn't a dark emotion or aspect of self. It is an aspect of ourself that can be very positive and very powerful. It can be described as something that drives our passion, our devotion, or the burning energy of wanting something deeply. Jealousy can easily be turned into a shadow component when there is an absence of unconditional love and acceptance within oneself. That also can turn into a shadow component when there is an attachment to something that also is driven by fear that has been created deep within the unconscious mind. The shadow component of jealousy arises within the psyche when there has been an absence of emotional attunement and when love was conditional, or when safety or identity was tied to comparison or competition. This was when a child wasn't mirrored their inherent worth and has learned to measure their own worth based on what other people have or what other people receive. When love or attention felt scarce, a false belief is formed within the unconscious that creates a shift in perception that someone else's having means there's less for me. So jealousy isn't the presence of hatred, but the absence of a secure sense of worth. It is the wound of not having been chosen, the ache of not having been seen, and the longing to be valued in the same way another is. If we break it down through a shadow lens, we can understand that the shadow beneath jealousy is not just insecurity, rather the unmet need to be chosen, valued, or seen as significant. The light side of jealousy is devotion, loyalty, passion, and the capacity to hold deep emotional investment. The distorted expression of the shadow emerges when those same qualities are bound by fear and when love becomes possession, or when attention becomes survival currency. When we look at attachment, which can fall into the shadow component of jealousy, this is an aspect of ourself that is driven by fear, and it can also be connected with lack, scarcity, or non-havingness, also maybe even low self-worth, when an individual feels that they are unable to attain what someone else may have, or they are unable to attain a dream or desire of their own. Any kind of attachment can flip a component within ourselves into the shadow very easily when we are also attached to something that we want so badly, but then there's a conflict within our inner self that's driving us into mechanisms of self-sabotage, self-doubt, and maybe even rejecting our own self-worth. When any attachment does develop within the shadow and within the deeper aspect of our unconscious mind, it is going to turn any of our experiences from light into dark, from a positive and powerful component within ourselves into one of questioning, fear, and in this case, jealousy. When jealousy arises, it is pointing to a false belief running very deep that love, success, or attention is a finite resource, and that if someone else has it, it diminishes you. Shadow work asks us to illuminate the origin and the belief and reclaiming the power that it is protecting. We all are infinite beings. Unfortunately, when fear grabs hold, we can feel that we are finite and that our abilities and that life desires and dreams are also finite, that we are unable to experience infinite possibilities. When we access our infinite potential and knowing, then life opens up and the shadow of jealousy dissolves to bring our power back into center, to realize that we can experience all that we are dreaming and desiring. And when the shadow of jealousy dissolves, that's when we realize how infinite we truly are, therefore turning our power inward to create the life that we truly desire. And in this case, it will also help with strengthening the feeling of havingness, self-worth, acceptance, and unconditional love. The false beliefs that will perpetuate the shadow component of jealousy will be, if they have it, I can't. This creates scarcity mindset when someone else's success, love, or attention means that there's less for me. The other false belief will be, I am not enough as I am. This comes from an underlying self-worth wound where comparison and envy emerge because the self feels incomplete. The other is, I must compete to be loved or valued. The shadow of jealousy emerges when love or attention feels conditional or limited. Another is, I am powerless to get what I desire. This can be often connected to feeling overlooked, unseen, or displaced. And then finally, if I let go or relax, I will lose what I want. Fear becomes an attachment and stifles natural flow of love, abundance, or recognition. When the shadow of jealousy emerges, it's not trying to show you what you lack, although it may feel that way. It's actually trying to show you what your true self desires and strengthen that within you. In this case, the shadow of jealousy is saying there's something in them that belongs to you too. You've just forgotten it's yours. When met with awareness, the shadow component of jealousy can be a guidepost back to your power. It invites you to look at where you have denied parts of yourself, where you have dimmed yourself, or maybe even rejected parts of who you are. In this case, the shadow of jealousy is an invitation to return back to your own power, your self-worth, and strengthen the relationship of unconditional love and abundance. So if you ever feel jealousy towards another person or towards an external aspect of life, you can ask, where is this showing me what I'm ready to embody? And if you're looking to go deeper into shadow work, to unravel from some of the shadow aspects of self and the layers that have been holding you back, to reclaim your power, your truth, and your whole being, join us over at the Shadow Project. The link is in the description area below. And I'm wishing you all the best on your journey and beyond. Until next time, take care.